Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are on your ACCA journey and gearing up to the strategic professional level, you've probably asked yourself, which optional paper should I choose? Choosing your ACCA optional papers can be a tricky decision, but it's an important one that can shape both your exam experience and your career path. Well, today, we are breaking it down for you to make your decision simpler. Let's start with a quick overview of what's involved at the strategic professional level. Once it's completed the core papers, strategic business leader and strategic business reporting, it's time to focus on the optional papers. There are 4 papers you can choose from and you need to select 2. The papers are number 1, Advanced Financial Management, number 2, Advanced Performance Management, number 3, Advanced Taxation, and lastly number 4, Advanced Audit and Assurance. Choosing the right optional papers is crucial because it can impact how challenging your exams are, how quickly you pass, and what career path you take. Let's go deeper into each paper and help you make an informed decision. Now, let's take a closer look at each of the 4 optional papers. This will give you a better understanding of what each paper covers and how they will align with your career goals. Number 1, Advanced Financial Management, AFM. If you are passionate about corporate finance and financial decision making, this paper could be a perfect fit for you. Building on financial management, AFM focuses on topics like treasury, risk management, and strategic financial decisions. This is an ideal choice for anyone aiming for a career in corporate finance or banking. Number 2, Advanced Performance Management. For those of you interested in performance management, business analysis, or management accounting, APM could be your go-to paper. This paper, you will combine your knowledge from performance management and financial management and also apply strategic performance analysis techniques. It's great for those who want to focus on managing and improving business performance. Number 3, Advanced Taxation. Tax is a huge part of business decision, and this paper goes deep into the advanced aspects of taxation. If you have worked in tax advisory or plan to specialize in corporate taxation, ATX might be the ideal choice. This paper builds on your knowledge from the taxation paper and covers everything from individual tax to corporate taxation. Number 4, Advanced Audit and Assurance. If you are aiming for a career in audit or if you want to become an audit partner, AAA is where you will develop the skills needed to manage and assess audit management. This paper includes real-world scenarios and focuses on auditing at a strategic level. It's particularly suited for those who want to gain expertise in audit management or assurance services. Now that you have an idea of what each optional paper covers, let's talk about how to make your choice. Selecting the right papers can feel overwhelming, but here are a few tips to help you decide. Number 1, reflect on your experience. When choosing your optional papers, think back to the skills paper you've already taken. Which ones did you enjoy the most or find easiest? If you excel in any of these areas, it might be a good idea to choose those experience papers for your optional exams. Choosing something familiar can also make your study journey more smoother. Number 2, consider your career goals. Another important factor is your career goals. Which of the optional papers align with your current job or career path you aspire to? For instance, if you want to go into audit and become an audit partner, AAA is the paper for you. If you are looking to specialize in taxation, ATX would be more suitable. Number 3, look at your performance in the Applied Skills exam. How well did you do in your Applied Skills exam? If there was a particular subject that you found easier or more interesting, consider choosing that as one of your optional papers. Your strengths from the applied skills exam can help you decide which optional paper might be a good fit for you. To wrap it all up, choosing the right optional papers for your ACCA exam is a decision that can impact your success both in the exams and in your career. By reflecting upon your past performance, considering your career aspirations, and choosing the subject that you are passionate about, you can set yourself up for success. So, take your time and don't rush the decision. You have got this. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment if you have any question. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more such ACCA tips and study strategies. Good luck with your ACCA journey, and we'll see you again in the next video.